And as always, don't forget, this is an adult doll collector's channel. So if you are younger than 18, you need your parents' permission to watch my channel. Alright guys, so getting back to what's going on in Ms.TeesDollroom. There's a lot of heavy stuff going on out there in the world today, so I just thought I'd take a few minutes to escape and go into the doll room, and we're going to debox some of the Meteor dolls. Now the first one we're going to debox today is Keeki Adaeze. She is one of the principal characters of the new Meteor line that was launched about a month and a half ago. So I'm going to get her out of the box and do a review. Alright, first of all, I'm loving the bright orange of this box and the graphics, which says Meteor, and it looks like it might have like some fire sparks or something like that, radiating down the box. Love the box design. So let's get this open. Oh, okay. And then the box folds open this way. So that's quite a lovely presentation. So we have this lovely Keeki in this Nubian skin tone here. Lovely rust color, burnt orange satin blouse, tan khaki looking shorts, tan belt with a gold buckle here. And let's just pull out her accessories so we can see what we got. She has some gorgeous earrings, bracelet, and ring, and an extra pair of hands. And what's unique about these dolls that they come with a pair of long nails, but the long nails have been decorated, and then the short nails are decorated as well. So I think that was a neat little feature for these dolls. And let's see, let's get her out the box. Here's a gorgeous purse. And here are these lovely faux suede boots that I've been hearing so much about. Here is her certificate of authenticity, and it says that she is number 162 out of 525 dolls worldwide. I took the time to look up the the meanings of the names for these girls. And let's see, Keeki means loving, change, enthusiasm, reliable, and Adaeze means daughter of the king. So I thought that was pretty neat that the names have a lot of significance to it. Alright, let's get this hairnet off. Look at this gorgeous curly hair. Natural looking hair. This is beautiful. Let's get these plastic things off the legs if we can get them off without having to cut them off. I guess not. Now, it's been reported that several of these dolls had issues with the eyes. Some of the promo pics were not the best. And I saw actual photos of dolls that have been received where they have problems with the eyes. It looks like from here that my doll has pretty good eyes, and I am very happy about that. Lashes are nice. She has some really nice features, very authentic African features, you know. She looks like a real black woman, so I appreciate that about her. Love the construction of the blouse, full sleeves, and some tucking here and draping. Open clavicle area and shoulder on this side. And the shorts probably wouldn't have been my #1 choice for this fashion, but you know, it works for her. And if you didn't know, the Meteor line is all about these 3 friends that decided to come together to open up the Meteor nightclub. It's an investment they decided to join in on. So that's the storyline behind these dolls. So let's get these boots unpackaged. And these boots are like burgundy suede boots. Love the feel of the material. Let's see which one is which. Okay. I am totally loving that these don't have a zipper. Thank you. That's probably the easiest pair of fashion royalty boots I've ever put on a doll. But don't let me speak too soon. Let me get this one on too. Awesome. I'm happy about that. Okay. Look at there. And you can also scrunch these down too for a different look. I like them up though. Take a look at this purse. Oh, the bag is burgundy. It's got a Prada-like symbol on the side of it. Front of it, rather. Working zipper. Be careful because I do not want to break the zipper on my bag. So it seems to be a little stuck right there. So we're not going to push it any further. And she's definitely had a trip to the nail salon. And her nails are decorated. Her ring finger on each hand has gold glitter on it. So I thought that's really detailed and reminiscent of what's going on today. Let's get her earrings on. And this is her cuff. It's gorgeous. It's like a cream colored white, off-white cuff with some cabochons of blue stones and a dark red or burgundy stone in the middle. I'll even put her ring on. Just curious to see it on these fabulous nails that she has. Does anyone else collect these little clear rubber bands they put in here? I do. I always keep them in case I needed to put a purse on or hold a shoe on a foot or do hair. So I always keep these. And I like to point out that Keeki's character is a socialite of the group. So she's the hobnobbing party girl. So it's going to be interesting to see how the story for these dolls develop. And another thing I wanted to point out is I love the way the box opens. But if you check this out and you want a quick background, you can just open it up this way and use it as a background for your doll. So I like the way the box was constructed. So that was a great job. Usually it's Elaine who designs these boxes. And if I'm right, you did a wonderful job, Elaine. So thank you for that. And this concludes my review of Miss Keeki Adaeze from the new Meteor line. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, please drop me a line. Y'all take care, and I'll see you back in the next video. Bye.